the metaphysical and the phenomenological aspect of mental disorder, because there's a specific type of atypicals or non-psychological, subliminal neuroinformation that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example of subliminal below the psychogram that is sort of unequivocal. It unequivocates meaning instead of augmenting meaning. So a word that may have triple or four meaning, the algorithm itself is not impartial.
Actually happening.
Yeah, I think one of the problems is the media's misconceptions of parapsychological phenomenon. They have a sort of result of perseverance and diligence. It has little to do with time.
Extreme. Then you have cyclothymia or cyclothymia, which is a milder version of bipolar, where the mood fluctuation tends to oscillate on a day.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Self-explanatory. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception, trajectory that occurs. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Persuasion.